These political leaders from different local government areas of Anambra State have said goodbye to the Young Progressives Party and have declared total support for Obiora Okonkwo and the Zenith Labour Party.
ZLP.
They say their decision to support the Zenith Labour Party to win the forthcoming governorship election was born out of the conviction that the flag bearer, Obiora Okonkwo, would better the lots of Anambra people if elected as governor.
Our utmost intention is to see a transformed Anambra State, a new Anambra State, where everybody will get what he wants. And we see that the person that can be able to do that is Our Excellency Obiora Okonkwo, PhD. And we know that he can do that. We come to him not because of any other thing. We come to him because of his antecedents, because of his integrity. We know we find somebody that will change the face of Anambra State for better.
I believe that action speaks louder than voice. Mark my word and cut my lips. With our structure and the impact you have already created, ZLP will occupy the government house by November 6. Mark my word.
The ZLP candidate promised to work closely with those who believe a new Anambra State is achievable.
They are comfortable working with us on this journey to actualize our vision for Anambra State. This is not the first time we have met. There have been series of meetings in the last few weeks with my other members of the team, and they had come to a concluding part today where we had just with certain interesting and exciting decision, which it is that they have made up their mind with everything they stand for, with everything they have, to transform from the group where they are now, the political party where they are now, to work with our team in our own brand new party, Zenith Labour Party, ZLP, for the actualization of this great project. We know that in politics, this is time for swing from one place to the other. But we have our set rules and minimum standard and template we use to evaluate those genuine and competent teams that deserve our partnership. And I can tell you that this group and whatever they represent who are here present, they had passed that our litmus test. They are solid, they are viable, they are strong, and they have all the abilities to deliver all this. And that these are all people that have had handwork. So it's the kind of people we look for. We call them professionals in politics, not professional politicians. So it's when the professional politicians come, they make personal demands. So I'm quite impressed with that, and it's a condition I'm sure they will not be disappointed, because we will surely meet that collectively with them as partakers in our government.
Obiora Okonkwo also met with other political leaders and support groups who say they are ready and willing to work for the success of the Zenith Labour Party to secure victory at the November 6 governorship election.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.